This video is going to show you how to replace the gasket on an oil cooler on a Mercedes E300 or E350 model year 2008. And what you can see is that there's a little bit of oil dripping here. So this oil cooler essentially has both coolant and oil coming into it through separate chambers, and then it cools the oil. The gasket that needs to be replaced looks like this, and what we need to do is we'll need to loosen this up so that oil drops, and then we will unscrew 5 screws that are holding the oil cooler in. And I'm gonna try and do this without removing the power steering reservoir, but we'll see if this works. I think I got enough clearance to do so. So let's start with the steps. Okay, so we're gonna start with a few things. We're gonna loosen up the oil filter so that the oil can drain down, and that's the first thing. There you go. That's that. And I'll just leave it like this. The other thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out, and I've loosened it up already, so I get a little bit extra space here. Right, and now we get to the part where we're accessing the individual bolts and unscrewing this. And I'll start with the most difficult one, which is the one at the bottom here. And the important part will be obviously to not drop the bolts. Right. So this is kind of where we are with this one. It's a bit hard to see, but there it is. Magnet for the bolt. Same thing, but a little bit less space. This is where the second one is. You can see it right here. And then the third one is at the top. Okay, so here's the second bolt. We'll get the one here at the bottom. That one's fairly straightforward since we got access. Right, but let's loosen up the ones at the top as well. Okay, we'll get the one at the bottom out. That one has the higher probability of falling. There you go, there's this one. And now the top two. Okay, this one, the top two, and then the other one. Right, that completes the removal. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically pull back the intercooler. I'd expect a little bit of coolant to come out. So put some rags down here. I'll maybe add a few more as well before I proceed. All right, so here it is, and this is where the leak was, as you can see at the bottom. Okay, so we'll remove the gasket. So this is what it looks like. There you go. Okay, so I kind of just I poked into the gasket, but not into the metal to lift it up. And now we're gonna see if I can just pull it out. There you go. So here's the old gasket, and I just got to clean out the contact area. I'm using plastic on this. Okay, so I've cleaned up the area where the old gasket was. Here's also the area of the oil cooler that I cleaned up. So this is, I used on all of this just, you know, plastic to kind of to get off as much as possible. Here's now the new gasket we're gonna fit in. So this should be fairly straightforward. As you can see, it's went in a lot more easily. And now we're going to install the cooler. And I'll start with the bolt at the top. I'm going to fit in this hole right here, and then there's right here at the top is just slightly hard to see. Right here, there's the guide that fits right here. So let's do this. And I'm gonna start with one bolt here so things don't fall. Place one at the bottom. I'm gonna magnetize my tool here with a little magnet for the other bolts. Okay. So here's the one on the bottom. Looks like this. Then I got to do the same for the center one. I'm a little bit hesitant to go in without the magnet. So what I'll do is I'll put some tape around it. All right, so this is the contraption. We'll see if this will work or if the tape is gonna stay stuck on the bolt. Okay, so the bolt's in. Let's see if we can get, oh, of course the tape's taped on the bolt. There you go. So here's the tape. I'm gonna kind of tighten now in a crisscross pattern. There you go. So that completes the job. We're going to just tighten the oil filter back to 25 Newton meters, and then we're going to just top off whatever liquid we lost, the coolant, during the replacement. I got to put this hose back on. Okay, we're gonna add some of the coolant here. You know, we lost some of it, so. And then remove any of the rags. Clean up a little bit, and that completes the job. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful.